To remove the head strap, all you have to do is pop this off right here, this whole section. You can see the USB Type-C port right there. That remains in place, but you just want to grab and kind of pop that off there just like that. And then you can go on the other side and do the same thing. So obviously no Type-C port, you got this little circle right there. The circle remains in place and you can pop it off just like that. And then obviously undo the Velcro strap if you want to take this completely off. And then for the face shield, so we're going to start off just right here in this general area. You can take your thumb and just kind of pop it out like that. Same thing on this side, pop it out like that. To the other side, same thing, pop it out like that. And you can see comes off just like so. By the way, you can probably tell I have an aftermarket head strap on here. This is the one from Zyber. As you can see, highly recommend it. I will put the link in the description, but much more comfortable compared to the head strap that came with the Quest 3. You can see it has this little knob in the back, which allows it to adjust easily forward and backward. And then you also have on the top there, this kind of memory foam padding. And then it also adjusts right here like so. You can really get the best angle depending on your head. So again, highly recommend this aftermarket head strap if you're looking for increased comfort. So that covers it for this video. Hopefully you found the information that you were looking for, and be sure to subscribe for more easy tech vids.